The big snowstorm of '93.
Come up this way. Mom's taking pictures.
Oh, no. Oh, my mercy. I'm dead, Mom.
It's snowing.
Look over here.
Oh, look at Grammy.
Come over here, Tootie.
Uh-oh, snowball fight.
Bombs.
Oh, my mercy. Hi. Golly. Don't get me yet. Oh, my
Oh, no. Oh.
Whoa. Look.
The abominable.
Look at Josh.
Yeah, you're fine. No, it ain't on. No, I promise, it ain't on. No, it's not. It's not.
It was.
What'd you do that for? Major state highways closed as well.
Hey,
Governor
look.
Caperton has declared
Oh, look at
emergency services to request all motorists to stay off the road.
You should see a little video. How much sucked this one man right out the door. He looks at everything. Oh my God, check it out there. Oh my God. Look.
Stay tuned to
Oh, I gotta get this on camcorder. I gotta get this guy on the camcorder. Walk this little dog.
Hurry, hurry, hurry.
Watch that little dog trying to get this. Okay, let's see it. Watch the little dog trying to make it through the snow. Check him out.
That's a giant.
Has he peed in the snow yet? Oh, let's get a picture of his peeing himself. See if he'll do it again. Is it about time? Oh. We're having a good old time. Isn't that cute? She's just leaping through the snow.
I looked at him and I said, you did all that because he looked like the bones knew. I said,
Did you see the dog?
I said, you did all of that to bring in the taste back. He goes, you're damn straight. And I was going to say, you didn't have late charge. You probably would have been wrong.
Incredible rock and roll Hall of Famers. Frankie Valli.
Oh, I'm still recording.
Monday, March 28th.
I just put it on the thing, you know, just to record.
Musical. Order your tickets now. Major credit cards accepted.
I gotta turn it off. I've got to turn it off. You think we're gonna get much snow? You think we're gonna get much snow?
Oh, not at all.
Well, I'll tell you what. Come on out here, and I'll show you. How
It's
much
getting a
snow
little
we're gonna
chilly, isn't it?
Like this in my yard from a snow dress. Just
Really?
Where?
Isn't this fun? Isn't this great? There they yeah, the perfect boots for today. That'll work for me. Check out them boots. Are them the ultimate or what? Whoa, it's all I can do to hold the camera. Whoa. Whoa, come on guys, hurry. You can make it. You can make it. Come on. Oh. Oh, yeah. Cloggers right here. The clogging couple. There they are. Wave to the camera. Be proud. Yay. Go beat her over the head with the shovel. Baby! They're stuck. Watch it wheel go. There he goes, there he goes. Will he make it? Go, man. Boom, 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 boom. Yeah. Watch him peel out there. Come on, he's getting her. God, I hope he don't do that all the way home. Bye.
Truck has 4-wheel drive, doesn't it?
That's a nice truck. Boy, you guys didn't get hung up at all.
Nah.
Did you see them people right before you?
Yeah, they were spinning real good.
I got them on the camcorder.
Yes, it is. Everything is out. Looks like.
Yeah, I knew we knew it would be.
Here's some snow people too. Look at their boots. Wow. Covered in snow. They're nice and bundled up though.
Alright, then. Well, I'm gonna go through.
You guys are in desperate need of a movie, aren't you? We saw you walking across the street. I wanted to get everybody on camera today.
Oh man,
Is it cold out there?
it's crazy. out
Is
there.
it cold? You like the snow? Yeah? Yeah, but do you like this much snow? Wow.
There hasn't been this much snow since what, 80?
Really?
82?
There goes the snowplow. Will they make it? Here they go. Yeehaw!
Sonya. Uh-oh, they get stuck.
Yep. Oh, there they go. There. Oh, no.
Snow plowed them in. Okay.
The snow plowed them in.
The plow.
What big Randy want?
Oh, if the police calls, we are to put them through upstairs. Oh. Because,
Wait, watch out, Meg. Watch out, Meg. I'm getting them. Oh, no. Almost a wreck here.
because, there's police.
Well, hi. Come on, guys.
Wait. Put that thing, undo it.
Little poodle. Little poodle.
Get him on tape. Oh, there's the poodle. There's.
Oh, they can't hear.
What's he doing?
Mr. Jenkins.
I think he just likes playing in the snow.
I
What do
think
you
he likes being in the snow and on the camcorder.
hopping around there.
Yeah, doing a little dance. Let me see them wheels going on. Let me see if I can get a close up of them wheels. Just a
He
little.
can't go backwards.
Wow. Uh-oh. Backup lights? No? Can't do it? No, somebody's helping? Is that the green tab guy helping?
Yeah, it's the green
Holy
tab guy.
cow. This is the first. We've got to get this on.
Pushing him.
You're not doing a very good job.
Just don't turn this into the
What's it turned
echo.
over and over?
Just don't turn this into the echo.
Why? Who's that? Is that the green tab guy? Yeah. He's done. He's done his daily good deed.
Here.
Is that the poodle?
Did you see her?
Poodle. This.
Here, come here, get this on tape. Hurry up.
What's he doing?
Hurry up, come on. Come over here. Sorry.
Push him, guys. Is Mr. Jenkins caught under the wheel? They have to dig out Mr. Jenkins. Did you find him yet?
Com Center Station 1.
Here, give him a shovel. Tell him here's a shovel.
Poor Mr. Jenkins. Uh-oh, here he's gonna try it. He's going for it. He's getting ready. He's thinking about it.
Watch out, he's backing up.
Bye, Mr. Jenkins. Yay!
Here for nothing.
And there goes the fire department guys. Aren't they little sweeties? The big smileys. Oh. Mickey don't feel good. Her little head hurts. Look at her little head, how it hurts.
It's just the throat.
Oh, look.
Doingo, doingo.
Da-dum, 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 da-dum.
Am I recording?
Yeah, you're recording. Little red lights on. I mean, make my little music here.
Check her out. There's another Kenya Tucker over there. Come on.
I'll come back as another woman. Oh, yeah, I'll come back. I'll come back to you. I'll come back.
She's nuts. Up, telephone.
I mean, they're calling for snow.
Yeah, I think it could. It's spring break though, so.
Really?
Probably rain a little bit.
Yeah. It's getting a little chilly out there, though. You know, I've seen a couple flurries here and there, but you know, nothing major.
Nothing accumulated.
No, I think this is all just one big hoax they're trying to pull on us.
Yeah.
Tim that owns the Run Runner next door, and his truck's been here all night. That's always a smart idea. You know, when it starts snowing, you just leave your truck here, come back the next day, and shovel it out. Yep, watch him go. It looks like he's having a real good time out there. Dig, Kim, dig.
Alright, again.
Well, we'll come back to Kim later, see if he makes it. Mickey Williams, that's Mickey's cousin. He's a little cutie. We'll get back to Kim. Nope, Kim's still there. Kim will be there for a while. Dig, Kim, dig. Hey, who's this? Fire department fellers? Yeah, must be fire department fellers again. Hey! Hey, you can use our shovel. I think he's coming to get our shovel.
Ricky Simmons, he owns a great big
Where's-
lake charge.
Which one's he?
Over here.
We'll zoom in on
camouflage
him.
code
Oh.
over here.
Right.
Back over here.
Oh, he's the one that just went out of sight?
Yeah. Oh, you know which one you want?
No, let's go ahead.
They're gonna dig Kim out. Oh! Ow, that hurt.
I'll probably have me arrested for hitting with a snowball.
He's the one that done it. Are you from the fire department?
No,
Oh, you're
I'm from
lucky.
Florida.
Oh,
I'm not
okay.
used to this.
What are you doing up here?
See, I'm dressed for Florida weather.
You are. Smart. Going right in this big old pile of snow. He must just be driving all over town just to find big piles of snow to try to see if he can go through. Yeah, get out there so we can look at you. There's the goofball. He said, oh man, there's snow here. Hey, how'd this get here? Oh, here's the problem. Okay, there's Kim. He's trying it. He's not gonna make it.
God, this guy's really crazy here. Wow.
Oh, there goes Kim. Well, maybe he will get to go. Watch him wheels spinning. Mm.
He's still spinning.
He is. Roll by, Kim. Whoa. Big gust of wind. See what this guy's doing. Oh, come to give him a couple movies.
See that guy just...
I know it. He knows just where he wants to go and how to get there. And what he'll drive. He's got the right idea. You ever notice we haven't seen any cars for about an hour? Oh, there's a car. It's mostly been trucks. Oh, there's a car. Well, look at the wind blowing. Hi, Lori.
Yeah, so I figured it out.
I've been getting people in here all day. There's Lori in her favorite seat. All right. Come back over here. Come on, guys. You'll see his little frozen foot.
It's not.
His little boot fell off in the snow. Smack your foot, Jonathan. Smack the snow off your foot. Isn't this great?
They said they put on TV that they're going to find anybody who's out on the highway.
Are you serious?
My car's slowed down. I can't get out. I got to walk home.
Really? Everybody over here, did you see everybody being dug out over here?
Uh-huh.
Digged out. Gosh,
Digged out.
listen to me. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh, no. Be here till
I've
midnight.
been here since noon.
Oh, isn't this wonderful? Was your car snowed in?
Well, my car, luckily it died on Thursday, so my dad dropped me off.
Yeah. Gosh, isn't this terrible? Nobody's allowed to leave work. Oh, Vicky's clogging. What are they stuck to?
What the hell you doing walking? Well, then you deserve to walk.
Who is it?
Oh, God.
Well, Liz didn't like that too much. Where's she at? Where'd she go? You'll ruin it. Fall down, Liz. Do a big spilling. Uh-oh, uh-oh. She can't get me. There she goes. Watch her, she's gonna fall. Uh-oh, I gotta hide. I gotta hide behind the door. Uh-oh.
That was messed up. I'll tell you what. Woo! Oh.
Uh-oh, she's gonna throw it at me again.
Oh my God, my hands are so fresh.
We'll make you stay out there until we get a little bit of you here on the camcorder.
No, don't fall.
Don't you fall.
Up under his boobs.
I would have liked to have had that camcorder when Josh was out there. It's just like I looked around and there was Josh from
Eating
here.
toilet paper? Are you that hungry? I don't like to eat.
She got toilet paper in her ear.
There's something growing out of your ear.
Ooh.
What
Better
is
use a
it?
little corner of that toilet
The
paper to pick your
cottonmouth,
ear.
baby. I think we all need to.
There's Feely.
Mouth will play it up right like Mickey did
Feely.
that baby baby yesterday.
Oh.
There's Graham.
I'll close up. Oh.
Wait a minute, we need to get Feely and Mom playing in the snow.
And Philly ain't gonna play in the snow because her pants will fall down.
Oh, let's go take Phyllis outside then. We can catch her in her little boomer.
Liz,
Her pants
Liz can
falling.
watch it. Liz watches it
My
coming in her
pants
mouth.
fell when I was scaring the kids in because that snow was just lagging them down. I'm like, Bill, help! My
You know
pants
what we
are
should
coming
have
down.
done? We should have kept Laurie over here. I don't think she was ready to go home yet, but she just didn't want to get snowed down.
The car is a block away.
Car's buried. Yeah, I know, but try walking a block in this.
Well, heck no, I can't even walk through the yard.
Well, the Winkies.
Hey, did you see that good shot of Mick's big butt in there? While
That's all right. Big butt.
Hubba bubba.
Well, stand up there, Jubbles.
Hey, don't make fun.
Lunchables.
Who?
You're no weeble wobble. Who, me? Well, what would make you think you? Oh,
I mean,
check out them buns. Them some luscious buns.
thank you, ma'am.
Good thing they stuck.
Liz is. Somebody needs to remove her hands from her face.
And my hair's wild. I think it looks cute. Don't you?
Oh, she's
Look,
just
you
dying
look
to
like
look
a
at this kid.
gypsy.
Oh! Hey, did she have a necklace on?
Looks like that ain't even on.
Oh, it ain't. Oh, maybe it ain't.
It is now.
No, it ain't
Graham's
on.
drank the last Pepsi.
Ooh, and it's good.
And Big Grant's keeping
Watch her slurp it down.
And Big Grant's keeping the Salems to himself though yesterday.
Anybody want a drink? Come on. Anybody want a drink of my pop? Huh? Anybody want a drink of my pop? I mean, I'm willing to share.
Hey, that coffee looks awfully good.
Watch Liz drink your coffee.
It sounds
Oh, well,
coffee.
can we
Do
all
it
have a drink of your
again.
coffee, Elizabeth?
Do it again.
My brother used to do that to the kids. Ronnie, the one that came in here and wanted to pull that
nuts.
armed robbery on you.
Yes.
He'd go get a bottle of pop, a big icy cold bottle of pop, and the kids would all be around him, you know, it'd be summertime, be hot. One bottle of pop. I mean, he had his nerve. And he'd get that bottle of pop and he'd lick all the way around it. Running his tongue down in it and everything. He'd say, anybody want a drink before I start? Who is? That's Sonia.
Is it me?
It's
Is it?
Sonia.
Are you sure? Let me see. Hey! It is me!
Sally, never mind. I'm coming up. I'm going out.
Never mind.
Gotta be nice.
We are. Okay, let's get back out. Keep pushing.
Oh, gee.
Oh, God. Oh, God.
Wait till those gusts get up. They're coming yet. Oh, my. I walked in from Max Wakers and there's snow that deep. What? Going across the roads out there. That's no joke. I mean, it's wild looking out there. Just think, you're making history.
God, got snow clear down my boots and it's cold.
Huh?
I got snow clear down my boots and it's cold.
You think it's cold now? You wait till it starts hitting. Get them right outside. Get that camcorder over here and get them outside.
Tell Sonya, come here. Huh?
Get it
Tell
over
Sonya,
here.
come here. Tell Sonya, come here. Sonya. Watch it.
And when you get it, send it to WTRL. I'm serious.
They're gonna fall. She's off though. Maybe one done?
Bring it over here and take turns. Get it over here and take turns.
Look, Tom. She took my shit. Oh my god. Oh, she wants to get toasted. I don't drink. Because Bill will be like, he'll be in bed.
Yeah, he
I don't lie to him.
Well, we'll lie in bed. Just dummy it and don't say anything, and we'll lie for you.
Really? Oh, okay. But I'm only 19. Can't get in the bars. Yes, you can. Oh, Anita, we can get in.
That's right.
Lizzie, give me a little
Anybody
smooch.
can get on over the table. You guys come in. Excuse me a minute. We're here from Channel 7 News to ask your opinion about this fine snow that we're having today. What do you think about our snow?
Do you think it's a hoax? I think it's terrible.
We have to think it's a terrible. Are there any other people here working tonight? And are you folks snowed in, or you get to go home tonight, or what?
So far it's snowed in, unless the owner comes.
Sounds good to me. Wait a minute, I'm losing the cap off my microphone. Let's go on the other side. Okay.
Let's see who wants to get anybody up here.
Oh no, I'm not going over there. No. Let's stay over here.
Hey, wait, what's this in the... Well, is that beer? Oh, wait, this is Channel 7 News.
Oh, that's Heidi. That's the one that Sonya got good last time.
Yeah, how do you talk?
Where's she at?
She's the cashier.
Like her.
Yeah, how do you talk?
Well, let's zoom in on all the
I'm not going over there. There's customers over there.
Is there? Hey, well, ask them. Come on.
Okay, come on, Sonya. I'll ask.
Okay, wait a minute. Get your thingy. Get your microphone.
I've got a pen.
Okay.
Yes, we're doing the questionnaire today.
We're from Channel 7 News, ma'am. We're here to find out if you're snowed in.
We'd like to know if you think if it's a hoax about the snow. Do you think we're going to get the snow?
Just a moment, ma'am. Here's the microphone, please.
Do you think
Phyllis,
we're going to
move your
get
head.
the snow?
Well, I don't think so. It's just a light duster right now, and I think they're kidding about the blizzard. We've been really busy, you know. We've had about 2 to 3 customers per hour.
That's not too bad, considering
No.
there's only about 12, 14 inches of snow out there.
I know, that's what I was
3
thinking.
foot in drifts.
And I've been here since noon, too, because no one who lives out on the hill can make it.
We had the same problem over at Arby.
So I've been here for
Okay, wait a minute. Going over here.
almost
So do
11
you get to
hours
go
now.
home?
At midnight, I get to go home.
Are
It's
you
weather-
snowed in?
Oh, I live down by the pool, so my dad should get me.
Okay. Anybody else here? Is there anybody else?
That's it.
Me and Diane.
This is
You,
it?
you
Oh.
hope we get the snow.
Need some more people.
No, we're on spring break.
I'm on spring break. My spring break
this
started
would be
today.
a great spring break, especially if you're going to Florida. They've only got about 10 feet of water down there,
I know,
as
they're
opposed to our 10 feet of
Okay, there's
snow
Steely.
up here.
Zoom in on those orange socks.
Oh, wait a minute. Get my brilliant shade of pink pants.
Are you guys busy over there?
Oh, big time
Oh,
busy,
busy.
can't you tell?
Yes, we are. This is Anita from the Village Video.
And Phyllis.
And Phyllis from the Village Video.
And Sonia.
And we're here to say that we're going to have a heck of a time getting back across that street to mind our own
And at midnight, we're all going to load up in the truck, go to the plaza, and spin donuts.
And we are gone.
You've been fun.
You're still carrying out like it's a microphone. It is a microphone.
Okay, we're going back to the news van, wherever you went. Oh, nobody's here. Oh, well. Maybe wherever I went. Gotta hope I don't fall down in the snow. Look at the snow. Uh-oh. Oh, oh. Uh-oh.
And it still ain't got its lights.
Is he weaving and bobbing?
Well, they turned
Ah! Where are we going to? Hey, where can we go? Out driving around. My car's been setting up back all day. Huh, Mick?
Well, then she's going to a bar, right?
What, Mick?
Then are you going to a bar?
Mick? What'd you say?
I said, are we going to go out?
Where are we going? Just outside?
No, go get some beer.
Ew, I don't like beer.
Are you?
You're
What are you
poopy.
doing? Damn it, I'm
Damn.
going to bed.
Phyllis, you go to bed. You're just no poop anyway. Look at her, how she's an old poop. Look at her, she's got old poopy drawers. Wow, my lord. That was a close-up shot too, Feely.
Have fun, guys.
Honey, honey, yeah.
Why is it doing this?
What is it doing?
It's probably counting down all the
Okay.
invoices.
Yeah. Perform daily closeout on inventory. Yes?
You're supposed to push no.
We're closing it out, right?
Are you peeking out there, Liz?
You're not supposed to.
Oh.
We did it last night. We hit Y.
No, because it didn't do that. But we hit Y.
I think this
Let's see, Mick.
I think this was the original reason that we didn't want anybody clearing.
How many invoices we got in there? 16.
Way too many.
Closer to 16,000.
Oh,
Mickey?
it ain't hurting it.
Find
No, it
the
ain't
nearest
good,
corner.
Taking up time is all.
Well, let it take up time. Now we got an hour.
You're really Penny Paul don't even have to be here yet.
Oh, it's done.
Count the
And it
register.
cleared it. All right, let me show you something.
So that was all the invoices that we had. Did you just stop it?
No.
No, it did it
Look
itself.
here.
See, that was all the invoices then
Nick.
from last night.
Look. Whenever you go, all right, you're one. Okay, you know what to do with the
Right.
one. Do the two.
Y.
And no. Y and N. And enter.
Okay.
You see what it does though?
Yeah.
See, you did do the end because it didn't do that.
Okay, you're
It just
two.
cleared it
You want to
last
verify? Yes.
when you came,
You
when I
want
came
to
in.
perform daily closeout on inventory? No.
Okay.
And then